Good morning, students. How are you? What network problems are going on due to power loss and everything. Sorry for that. Yeah, already students. Yesterday we already completed about our lesson. Yeah. All the students, now we already completed our lesson in this material and as well as the things. In this lesson, we already discussed so many concepts. Once we recall today about that concepts what we are discussed in this lesson, fifth one. Okay, now yes, what is that? Materials and things. In this lesson, we have discussed so many topics. Once we are go with the discussed topic once, yes, what is the topics we are discussed in this one? First one is about yes, about the things we are discussed. Different things are there around us. Okay, now the different things are made by which things? Actually, when you take one object, that object may sometimes made by the different elements. Okay, different materials we are used to prepare that object. Like a chair you take here, it is a single object only, but we are using the what? Different materials to make it. Chair may made by the wood, chair may made by the iron, the chair may made by the yes plastic. Okay, clear or not all of you? Like that. Suppose you take your water bottle. The water bottle may be made by the plastic. The water bottle may be made by the yes mud. Otherwise, the water bottle may be made by the yes wood. The water bottle may be made by the yes copper. Like there is only water bottle, but we are taking a different things. Okay, clear or not all of you? Your pen sometimes the pen may be wood pen is there, plastic pen is there, glass pen is there. Okay, clear. Like that, only one object. For making of one object, we are using the what? Different type of substances, different type of material we are using. And like that only, we take a one material only, but that one material is used to make different objects also. Okay, why it is occurs? That is because of properties of material. Okay, now. Yes, that is only the first three pages we have here. Yes, there is the first three pages we have about the things or objects. Okay, different objects are made by the one material, or one material is only made different objects. That is only it is possible because of what? It is possible because of material property. The material is contain different properties. Materials are contain different properties. What are the different properties are there for the materials? Depending on the light propagation. Okay, clear or not all of you? Depending on the yes, its floating nature. Depending on its sinking nature. Depending on its solvable nature. Depending on its insolvable nature. Okay, clear or not all of you? The properties, so many properties are there. Mainly the materials are classified into three types. One is a solid, another one is a gas, another one is a liquid. Okay, materials mainly classified into how many types? Materials are mainly classified into three types. One is solid, another one is liquid, another one is gases. Depending on the arrangement of a particles, of a substance, okay, got it or not the students? Depending on the arrangement of a particles inside the material, there is will get for us the nature of liquid, solid and gases. And which substance or which material is contained, the particles are very near with each other, and as well as some particles are hard to touch, and as well as when we press that any wood or like material, it will be very hard. That material is called solid. And because of this nature, the solids are not changes its a shape. The shape is a fixed. It is not changes. It is called solid. Whatever the container you can take here, that solid, the solid is not changes its state. When you come to here, liquid. Okay, when you come to here liquid, there is a totally the particles inside it is a changes. The liquid is nothing but it is a changes, it's a nature. Okay, and it is next come to your gases. Okay, when you take gases here, particles are one is away from the another one. Okay, now it is called gases. Due to this, when we press it, suppose you take a water, you press it automatically. When you giving a force on it, it will be made moves like this or not. Okay, once you take a zoom of it, okay, like the liquid particles are there. When you press it, it will be move like that. Okay, but it is a possible when you press here, there is any place is there for it? No place now. That's why it is not have fixed shape. Yes? Not a fixed shape here. It is also not a fixed shape. Then which shape it will be achieved? It achieves the container shape only. Which material gets the container shape? Which material gets the container shape? That material called what? That material is only called either liquid or gas. I hope you understood. Yes, based on this property only, there is a shape of that liquids may changes. The shape of the solids are not changes. The shape of the gases are changes. And then come to again for the based on what? Actually light. Based on the property of light, substances are classified into three types. One is the transparent media, another one is the non-transparent media, that is only called opaque, and last one is transient media. Already we are discussed now. We take oil. Okay, the oil is pasted on a paper. When you observe that behind the thing, throw the oil place of paper, that may appear partially. That because of what? The light is allows partially through it. Okay, now not totally light. No total light is passes through the body, but somewhat it is passes through the body. That is called transient media, which allow the light totally. That is called transparent media. Yes, got my question? There is a what? Understood or not, all the students? Once we go with the recall of all the things, then after we'll go with the question and answers. Okay. Here there is a, when you take the light throughout the media, it is a called transparent. Otherwise it stops the light, it is a called, not allows the light through the media, it is a called, actually, it is a called opaque. It is a called opaque. Okay, now this is only we are consider. The next come to here, dilemma with sugar it is there. What is the dilemma you'll get because of sugar? Yeah, sugar is looks like somewhat times as a what? As a liquids only. Why? Because when you take a sugar, it is a changes its shape. Yes, amount of sugar you take, it will be taken in one container, that is gets the container shape only. Okay, then it is a called liquid? No. Why? Because you take a one crystal of sugar, you will get the clarity. The sugar crystal shape is not changes where it is goes. Where it is a contained in any container also, it is not changes its shape. Which one? Sugar is not changes its shape. Okay, this is only the thing we are consider for the what? For that our sugar purpose. Then next we are going with the sink and float. Okay, which one is called sink? Which one is called float? Which one is called float? Which one is called? Please, during the classes, don't ask any doubts now. Yes, there is a what? Which one is called float? Which one is called sink? Yeah. When one body you take here, it is not goes lower levels of another body. It is a called float. Means what? It stay on the surface of the body. It is only called float. I hope you understood. When it is a go inside of, okay now. Yes, another body, it is a called what? Sink. Okay, it is occur because of what? Density. Already I am given clear clarification about density. If you are not present on that day, otherwise if you not understood, once again go with that class. Okay, now density is nothing but what? No. Density is nothing but mass per volume. Mass per volume is called density. Mass is nothing but number of molecules per volume is called density. In case the density is greater, the body most probably it is want to sink on the lower density body. When you take a lower density, okay now, and another body, another particle or another material may taken as higher density, the higher density one may sink in a lower density. Okay, got it or not? In this way only we go with for us our which one? About sinks and as well as the float. Okay, for this purpose we have number of examples. You take a different type of vegetables and different type of materials. Okay, now you take it is a test with the water. Automatically some water sink, some water float. Why? Because they sink. Why? Because the sink things are contain more density than the water. The float things are contain less density than the water. Okay, this is only we are considering. Last topic it is, yes, about the insoluble or solvable. Okay, now clear or not all? It is solvable and as well as the insoluble. Dissolves means what? It is mixed with that. Yes. Which is a solvable? Why it is a solvable? You know very well. Yesterday we already discussed it now. There is a what? When you take a solid, there is no space between the one particle to the other particle. Here there is a what? Somewhat space is there. In case any other particles are enter into this, okay now, it will be mixed with one another. Otherwise may not enter into this, may not possible to enter into this, it is not mixed with the liquid. Okay, why? Because the molecule, otherwise the atomic size is very greater than this water molecule or liquid molecule, it is not mixed. Okay, you so many things may you observe in our daily life. Petrol is not mixed with the water. Okay, and as well as iron is also not mixed with the water. Okay, somewhat sugar is mixed with the water. Why? Because sugar atoms are somewhat smaller than the water molecule. Otherwise, whatever the space is there between the one water particle to the another particle, it is made lesser than the, it is made greater than the sugar particles. That's why only it is added. You know very well about this. Okay, this is only about so in case it is a greater thing is there. What is atom means? Atom is an invisible thing of, suppose it is made by which things, Nana? It is made by the atoms only. Okay, calcium carbonate, oxygen is there. Oxygen is nothing but, there is oxygen is appear for us, hydrogen is appear for us. Suppose gold is there, gold has a lakhs of group of atoms only, it will be appear. Okay, but gold atom is nothing but very minute particle, fundamental particles of substance is only called atom. It is invisible one, invisible one. Okay, clear or not all the students? That invisible thing is only called, yes, atom. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah, the next is it is only the topics we are discussed. Once you go with our keywords. Okay, now what is the meaning of keywords? All the students till now whatever the completed the tables and as well as the somewhat questions are there at the middle of the paper. The solids are mixed, liquids is mixing to water. Yeah, all the liquids are not mixing to the water. Actually, water is one type of a liquid only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Water is one type of liquid only. Got it or not? Yes, but all the liquids are not mixed with the water. Somewhat liquids are mixed, somewhat not mixed. Already we are discussing now. Yes, suppose you take a soap water, may mixed it is with the water. But petrol is not mixed, kerosene is not mixed, oil is not mixed with the water. Okay, like that. Yes. Now we go with the keywords now. One by one keywords. All the students, up to keywords you have to write in your classwork. The keywords also you have to write in your classworks only. And as well as middle of the lesson, somewhat tabular formats are there. Okay, that tabular formats also you have to write in your classwork only. Okay, keywords write as in a home task purpose you have to take here. In a home task. In this home task you write it is in a classwork. Page number, it is 50, page number 50. We have it is in a page number 50. Yeah, what is the keywords are there? What is the keywords are there? Material. Material. Which one is called material? Which one is called material? Yeah, which contain mass and it occupies some space and it is described at a time. It is only called what? Material. I hope you understood what is the material. Material is nothing but what? Material is nothing but which substance is occupied some space and it is described to at a particular time and it is contain somewhat mass, it is only called material. Okay, this is the material or not? This is the material. Okay, now why? Because the chalk piece is contain somewhat mass. When you take it is on a balance, spring balance or digital balance, it's shown somewhat 20 grams or 30 grams of a mass. And it is a contain length also. When you take a scale, it is measurable. Okay, that is only called. You should compulsory take one thing. It should be contain mass and as well as it should contain measurable and it is described at that time. Okay, suppose you take air. Air is a material or not? Air is also material only. Chalk is made by the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Got it? Yeah. Now there is got it? Air is a material or not? Air is a material or not? Yeah, air is also material only. You take two balloons. Once blow that balloon and you take a one stick, attach the both ends. Okay, got it? Yes. At that time when you take as a balance, then it will become like this. You take a balloon and you tie here. The balloons are tied here once. Another one is also you take the same like this here. It is somewhat bigger now. Now our balance is looks like this. It's a bending towards it. Clear or not all the students? Okay now. When we given more air to this, it more bend to it. More bend like this. Clear or not all of? Means why? Because the air contain mass. Clear or not all the students? Air is also contain mass. The chalk powder name is calcium carbonate. Okay. And here the next. I hope you understood, Nana. Air is also material only. Air occupies somewhat space or not? Yes. Now air is there around you or not? Air is there around you. Yes, air is there around us. Okay. Yeah, you should write all the keywords in your classwork notes. Air is occupies some space and as well as it is also contain mass. It does not contain mass. It contains mass also, and as well as, sorry, it is a contain mass, and it is occupy some space. Balloon, when you take two balloons, otherwise you take your bicycle tie, it will be not contain mass. It contain mass. It occupies some space also, large space occupied by the air. That's why air is also material. Material should compulsory contain what, Nana? It is a contain somewhat mass, and as well as it occupies space. Okay, and as well as it is should be contain somewhat length, very small length or length, any small length also. At last, very small length also, it should occupy compulsory. It is should occupy length, and you have to specify at particular time. That's only that is called material. Yes, this is about material. Yeah, next to come to here, object. Object means what? Which is made by the material in a different shapes. Okay, now for a different usage purpose. We are made material as a particular shape, that is only called what? Object. Okay, clear or not all the students? Object. And the next one is a metal. Metals are nothing but what? Metals are solids like iron. Okay, now yes, copper and yeah, you have study material. What's last year you have only study material. If you have only study material, you compulsory take the textbook. You compulsory every student you must and should you take textbook and study materials both. Okay, clear or not all the students? You take must and should study materials and as well as the textbooks. Got it? If anyone is not there, it is a problem to you. Yeah. Now there is a metal. Which one is called metal, Nana? Metal is a hard substance. Okay, the metal is a hard substance of a solid. Okay, now yes, it is like iron, copper, gold. These all are metals. Okay, now and in the next classes we are getting about the metals also. Transparent, opaque, transient. Already you know very well what is the transparent, Which one is called transparent? Which allows the light through it, it is called transparent media. Which allows the light, it is called transparent media. Okay, and which not allows the light, it is called opaque media. It is which is allow the light partially through it, it is called transient media. It is called transient media. And next come to solid. What is that? Solid. Yes, solid means what? Which not changes its shape if there is a what, it is taken in any container, which is a container fixed shape. Okay, which is a container fixed shape, and as well as it is not changes its shape when we changes our container also. Got it? That is only called what actually? That is a called, yes, what it is? That is only called solid. Liquid means already we have discussed, which is changes its shape, which is changes its shape with the container. It is called liquid, and it will be contain the what somewhat separate between the one particles to the another particles inside of material. Yes, like that only gases also. Gases and liquid almost same, but in the gases there is a what? In the gases we have large space between the one particle to the another particle. Lot of space is there between the one particle to the another particle. Next one is sink. Which one is called sink? Which one is called sink? Yeah, sink is nothing but when you take one of the particle, it will be dipped in the another substance. Okay, now clear or not all the students? Dipped in the another substance, it is only called what it is? Sink. Some students are written irrelative matter to the class. Okay, now. Yeah, there is a what? Your math class at the time of what it is, 120. Till 20 minutes are there. Okay? Why are you write that irrelative matters? Huh? You want to become hide from the channel? Very good. One student is given one question to me. 1 cup of water we mix with the 1/4 cup of milk. It changes to milk color or not? Yeah, it is changes into milk color. Why? Because milk particle density is greater. That's why it is a change into the milk color. Okay, that particle color, the density of a milk particles are greater. That's why only it is looks like a milk only. And now there is a what we are consider here, solvable. Which one is called solvable? Which one is called insoluble? Yeah, which is a mixed with the another substance, it is called solvable. In case it is not fixed with the what actually, yes, another substance, it is called what actually? It is called insoluble. What, Mr. Sishan? What happened to you? Huh? Yes, the next one is, all the keywords are completed. Next component is improve your learning. There is in this word, name any 5 objects which are made up of only one material. Okay, clear or not all the students? Here, name any 5 objects which are made up of only one material. Okay, you have it here. Yes, there is a you take a plastic bottle, plastic chair like that, only made by plastic. Otherwise, wooden things. You take any of wooden things of 5. Okay, only you take one material. Okay, like that only you take here. Otherwise, chair. Okay, material is only one material is required. Objects are different. Yes, you available lot of availables are there. Mainly plastics are available nowadays, and otherwise there is a lot bowls, different bowls of yes, which is made by the ceramic. Okay, na? Yes, like that you conclude here. Otherwise, wood made things. Okay, that is only first answer now. First question answer is the what? First question answer is says for us only one material we have to use, and it is made the what actually different objects. Yes, in the first answer you may write. Okay, now yes, different things like a plastic based, either wood bases or made by the metal. Okay, like that you write your own desired basis. Okay, clear. And here now any 5 objects which are made up of more than 2 materials. Sometimes we require not only one material is enough to prepare one object. Okay, clear or not all the students? Sometimes we require more than one. Okay, now objects are required for us. More than one objects are required for us. Okay, now for the made of things. That is may contain the what actually. Suppose you take a door, it is a towel and a bicycle, knife. These are all required what? More than one materials are required. In your table number 2 it is there. Okay, the table number 2 it is also there. Table number 2. Refer the table number 2 for second answer. Second table. You go with the second table. Yes, and the first answer you go with the first table. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, you go with the first table purpose. Table number 3. Table 3 gives the answer of first table. Okay, and as well as you go with now third answer. What is the third answer is given here? List the 5 things. List the 5 things which we can make using each of the following material. Okay, clear or not all of you? By using the glass, and for again you go with the table 3 only. Yes, table 3 only. Yes, you got the answers. Made by the glass, which things we are made? Made by the metals, what the things we are doing? Made by the plastic, what the things we are going? Made by the wood, what the things we are going? Wood is used for the making of furnitures. Wood is used for the what actually? Yes, doors. Wood is used for the what actually? Fire purpose also. It is used for fire purpose. And wood is used for the what actually? Yes, making of the boats sometimes. Okay, different things. Wood is used for the making of pens also. Okay, now wood is used for the making of paper also. Okay, like that things. You have to write at last 5 things for the made of wood and metals and plastic. Suppose you take metals. Metals are used for the made the vehicles. Metals are used for the made the ornaments. Metals are used for the made the chairs, like these things. Okay, so many are there. You have to write these all in question answers. Question answers in a homework notes now. Homework notes. You are used homework notes for it. Okay. Fourth one. Fourth answer. Fourth answer. Mary saw a ship traveling on a sea. She knows that iron nails sink in the water. She has many doubts. What are her doubts? Write them. Okay. Suppose yourself you only there. The ship is traveling on the sea. Means what? It is floated on the water. How it is floated? The ship may contain somewhat iron things now. Okay now, and the ship may contain the heavy nature now. How it will? What is the questions are there in your mind? That is only you have to write now. Yes, she knows that iron may sink in the water. She has so many doubts. What are doubts? And write them. Okay, you prepare the questions. Why the ship is floated? Yes, that is only. Clear or not, all the students? The fourth answer, you have to write questions only. Yes, why the ship is floated? What the particles are used to, yes, float the ship? Which particles are used to float the ship? Okay, now it cannot contain iron particle. Like the questions may get in your mind. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That is only we have to write as a fourth answer. Why it is floated? Okay, now which type of a substances we are used to float? And when the ship is sink in a water, like that questions you have to write. For that fourth answer, you prepare questionnaire. And now come to here fifth one. Mary, while examining whether a boiled egg sink or floats, found that it floats, but what made it sink? How it is possible? Guess and write it. Yeah, very important question. Suppose you take a boiled egg. It is floated or sink on water. Yeah, it is floated, yes, on water. Clear or not, all the students? It is a float on water. When we add the salt to it, it may sink in that. Okay, clear or not, all of you? That is only we have to do here. Yes, you have to write up to fifth answer for today. Okay, now you complete up to fifth answer for today. Okay, all the students, you come to complete fifth answer for today. This is only the homework. You have lot of homework for today. There is you have to write keywords. Yes, all the keywords, and as well as you have to go to write, yes, this up to fifth answer in homework. Okay, thank you students, bye, take care. Tomorrow we go with the remaining question answers explanations. Okay, up to question number 13. Okay, now tomorrow we have to go to discuss up to question number 13. Then we have to go with the new chapter. Okay, now that is habitats. Okay, bye, take care.